Hey, it's Kevin here. And did you know you can start building your crypto portfolio today without investing a single penny? Yes, you heard that right. Free cryptocurrency. In this video, I'll show you 5 legit ways beginners are earning crypto quickly and completely free. Now, I bet you're skeptical, and rightfully so. How can cryptocurrency, one of the hottest financial assets, just be given away? Stick with me because the methods I'm about to reveal are not only legit, but are actively being used right now by thousands of crypto enthusiasts to grow their digital wealth without any upfront investment. So let's jump straight into it with number 1, Coinbase Earn. Coinbase, one of the most trusted crypto exchanges worldwide, literally pays you crypto to learn. Crazy, right? All you do is watch short, educational videos about different cryptocurrencies, and they reward you directly into your wallet. No catch, no fees, just free crypto for boosting your own knowledge. But how much can you realistically earn with Coinbase Earn, and is it really worth your time? Don't worry, I'll break down the exact numbers shortly and reveal if this method lives up to the hype. Before we do, method number 2 might shock you. It's the Brave browser. Imagine simply browsing the internet like you normally do and getting paid crypto while doing it. The Brave browser rewards you with Basic Attention Token, or BAT, just for viewing privacy-friendly ads as you browse. No extra effort, just crypto stacking up passively in the background. It's one of the easiest crypto earning methods for absolute beginners. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Exactly how much crypto can you make by just casually browsing online? I'm going to reveal typical earnings in just a moment, and trust me, the answer might surprise you. Moving quickly to method number 3, let's talk crypto faucets. Faucets are websites that reward you with tiny amounts of crypto for completing simple tasks, like watching short ads or solving quick puzzles. Sure, the amounts are small, but hear me out. These small drips of crypto can quickly accumulate, especially when you regularly use several reputable faucets simultaneously. But here's the big question. Is it really worth your time clicking and watching for tiny crypto rewards? I'll tell you exactly how to scale this strategy effectively and how some beginners have transformed these tiny drops into real gains. Next up, method number 4, airdrops. You've probably heard about these, but might not fully understand how they work. Airdrops are basically crypto giveaways by blockchain projects to promote their tokens. Companies literally drop free crypto into your wallet as a promotional campaign or to reward their loyal community. Sounds amazing, right? But hold on. How do you find legit airdrops and avoid scams? And what's the secret to qualifying for the best ones? I'm about to reveal the exact strategies pro crypto hunters use to consistently snag valuable airdrops absolutely free. Finally, method number 5, crypto cashback rewards. Similar to earning airline miles or regular cashback from your credit cards, crypto cashback services give you cryptocurrency rewards when you shop online. Websites like Lolly and Fold partner with major retailers, allowing you to stack Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies simply by making your regular purchases. No extra spending, just more crypto building up effortlessly. But wait, does it actually pay off? And how quickly can you earn significant amounts from everyday shopping? I'll share real-world examples and the smartest tips to maximize your crypto cashback in just a bit. By now, you're probably wondering, which of these 5 methods delivers the highest and fastest returns? Keep watching, because next, I'll compare these methods head-to-head, showing you exactly how to combine them for maximum earning potential. And here's something else worth knowing. Some of these methods have specific tricks and pitfalls you absolutely need to avoid. Missing these could cost you valuable crypto rewards. Ready to start stacking crypto without spending a dime? Stick around, because you won't believe how simple it is to significantly boost your crypto holdings entirely for free. Let's dive deeper into exactly how much you can realistically earn with each of these methods, and which combination is best suited for beginners aiming to build a meaningful crypto portfolio fast. Let's get real about the earning potential of these methods. Starting with Coinbase Earn, on average, users can quickly earn between $10 to $50 in crypto just by completing short video lessons. It might not sound massive, but remember, this is crypto that could potentially multiply significantly over time. Considering it requires zero investment and takes minimal effort, it's definitely worth a shot. But now, let's move back to Brave Browser. By casually browsing the internet and seeing privacy-friendly ads, users typically earn about $5 to $15 worth of BAT tokens per month. Again, this might sound small, but imagine effortlessly accumulating crypto every month while simply doing what you already do every day: surfing the web. Now, faucets can feel tedious, but there's a trick to maximizing returns. The secret? Consistency and multitasking. Successful faucet users earn around $5 to $10 per week simply by setting aside short bursts of free time each day. That's up to $40 extra of crypto per month just for casually clicking or solving quick puzzles. Here's a quick pro tip to amplify your faucet earnings. Use multiple reputable faucets at the same time. This strategy ensures you get a steady, continuous stream of crypto, helping your balance grow quicker than you might expect. And what about airdrops? While they vary greatly, some have handed out tokens that later exploded in value. There have been documented cases where simple free airdrops turned into hundreds or even thousands of dollars worth of crypto within months. The key to succeeding here is positioning yourself to receive these airdrops early and avoiding common scams. Always research projects and join official communities. Then we have crypto cashback programs. Typical users of platforms like Lolly or Fold earn between 5 to 20% back in crypto from their regular online purchases. If you're an active online shopper, this can easily add up to hundreds of dollars in crypto rewards each year. Remember, you're essentially getting free crypto just for continuing your usual spending habits. But here's the twist. No single method on its own will probably make you rich overnight. The real secret is smartly combining these strategies. Imagine earning from Coinbase Earn videos while passively browsing with Brave, stacking faucet rewards consistently, regularly receiving valuable airdrops, and maximizing your crypto cashback every time you shop online. This strategic approach is how beginners are realistically building up substantial crypto holdings quickly and completely for free. Now, before we wrap up, I promise to share the pitfalls you absolutely need to avoid. First, never share your private wallet keys or sensitive information with unknown websites. Legit platforms will never request your private keys. Also, beware of phishing scams disguised as airdrops or faucets. Always double-check the legitimacy of sites and projects by researching reviews or joining community forums. To ensure maximum safety and profitability, use dedicated wallets specifically for free crypto earnings. This simple precaution protects your primary holdings and minimizes any risks. So there you have it. 5 legit, beginner-friendly methods anyone can use right now to earn free cryptocurrency. The best part? These methods require zero upfront investment, just a bit of your time and attention. Whether you're brand new to crypto or looking to accelerate your portfolio, these strategies can give you a powerful head start in the digital asset space. Now I'm curious, which of these methods are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because you won't want to miss what's coming next.